Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of app permissions with an open source app called Permission Managurx. If you're concerned about what apps on your phone are accessing, this video is for you. What is Permission Managurx? Permission Managurx is an open source app designed to give you complete control over the permissions granted to your Android apps. Unlike most permission managers you find on the Play Store, Permission Managurx is completely transparent and doesn't hide behind closed doors. You can see exactly what the app does and how it works. Permission Managurx tackles permissions from two angles. You can view and manage both manifest permissions and AppOps permissions. The app provides a clear breakdown of permissions for each app, categorized for easy understanding. You can see exactly what data each app is trying to access. As you can see, Permission Managurx is easy to use. Finding specific permissions and adjusting app access is straightforward. While the dual permission system might seem complex at first, the app provides clear explanations and tool tips to help you navigate. Permission Managurx is a fantastic open source option for privacy-focused Android users. It empowers you to take control of your data and decide what information your apps can access. If you're comfortable with a slightly technical interface, Permission Managurx is a great way to manage your app permissions. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about Permission Managurx or app permissions in general. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.